Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, they said, I'm releasing a tutorial on YouTube about how to film yourself or an actor on a green screen and then seamlessly insert them into a movie. Am I allowed to do this on YouTube since a tutorial is education? My channel isn't monetized yet, so I'm thinking it's okay. What are your thoughts? All right, so you're asking about fair use, which is built on the premise that works are inspired by other works, and we want to encourage that. So many times those things are legal, and using other people's works for educational purposes is protected by fair use. Now, the educational exception for fair use applies to classroom use. The mere fact that what you're creating has an educational purpose may not be enough to get you into the educational exception of the fair use law. Unfortunately, with fair use, there is no mathematical equation you can apply to know for certain that what you're doing is or is not fair use. What would have to happen is somebody would have to sue you, and then it would be up to a judge to decide if what you did was fair use or not. So you're shooting a video on green screen and then inserting that person into an already copyright protected movie. I'm assuming you mean like movie that everybody knows that was commercially successful, mainstream movie studio put it out. Is creating a tutorial about how to do that fair use? I can't say for certain or not. It would be up to the copyright holder to decide whether or not they're going to come after you for that use, claiming that it's copyright infringement. So I would do your homework to see if there are studios that have a track record of allowing people to do this, and don't go after them. So that way you're less likely to end up getting a cease and desist letter or worse, sued. If you want proper legal advice on your situation, I recommend you contact a lawyer, because watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer. It's merely legal information, not legal advice. If you need legal advice, go hire somebody. I put out new content every week, so please subscribe to the channel. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.